Hey, planner friends and planner newbies. My name is Carly from CJ Plans. If you're new here, welcome. And I hope you consider subscribing to my channel and clicking on that bell button so you never miss any of my future videos. So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and do a plan with me in the new Rong Rong Skinny happy planner that came out in this new release. I absolutely adore this planner. So I want to go ahead and change the rings and set this planner up for the new year. But I do want to start using it now. So obviously I am going to be doing a plan with me also in this video. So if you're interested in watching how I'm going to set this bad boy up, just keep watching. Alright, so what I am going to first do is I am going to change these mini discs and I'm going to go ahead and put some classic disc on this. So I'm going to take all these pages out and put some classic rings on them. These are the rings that I am going to be putting. So I am thinking I want to do pink, purple, and kind of like this peachy color. And I think it will come out cute. I think it goes with it because it has like that peach color and the pink. If I had some white, I probably would have put some white on, but it's okay. So I kind of wanted to go ahead and match like the year that is on here. I was originally going to use the black and white cover for it, but I feel like every planner of mine is black and white. So I think I'm just going to keep this cover on there and just change the rings. So I went ahead and changed the rings. I did change a few colors because I was missing a few at the bottom, and I was like, I thought I counted 9, but I guess I only counted 7 for some reason. Not sure why, but I went ahead and changed the rings to match a little bit better the cover, which I think it does look really good. I'm going to go ahead and take this paper out of the way. So I was originally thinking to use this planner as more of a meal plan, self-care planner for myself for the year of 2020, but since I want to go ahead and use it now, I kind of want to start my journey now with it. So by the beginning of the year, I kind of know, you know, how is working for me. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is, since we are in October, I'm going to go ahead and take, see here, October. Actually, I think the month of December is the one that has the matching date of October. But what I am going to do is, I think what I may do, because I'm not sure if I will continue to use this all the way to December of next year. You know how we plan our babes, we change everything. So what I am going to do is, since we're going to be planning for the week of the 21st, I'm just going to go ahead and take that out. Leave this in here. And then I'm going to see if I find an old tab from another planner that I didn't use or I just have left over. I'll probably cut it down and put it as October, and then I will most likely see if I print out I will print out a October, kind of like an October calendar. So let me see how this is going to work. All right, let me go ahead and find a planner tab that I want to use for this one. All right, so I went ahead and I found this October tab from one of the old student planners that I have. This is actually from 2018. So I am just going to take this part. I may put a white scrap paper that I have right here. So I'm just going to grab one of the tabs here and sort of line it up so that I can go ahead and let's make sure it's all lined up. Let me get my handy dandy trimmer. So I went ahead and cleaned it up the edge a little bit off camera so that I can like concentrate on what I was doing, because I guess I got nervous. But anyways, so I went ahead and I put this white cover in the back and punched the holes on it with my Happy Planner punch. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to add this one to, instead of it being starting in January, this is actually going to start October. So I'm going to go ahead and add that there, and this one actually, this is January, so let me put January right here. Alright, so now we have a cover for this planner for October. I believe I might do November and December, so I'm gonna see if I find another cover for November and December. That way I can just go ahead and continue to add that onto here. Alright, so I found two other tabs that I wanted to go ahead and add. I went ahead and cut it, but since they had some wordings on it, it just kind of looks kind of weird. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is either I may do a washi board, or I may get another cardstock with a different pattern and kind of put it on top of there, and then I may put another cardstock here and just trying to cover this. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do, and then I'm going to add it that way it's kind of lined up and it looks, you know, October, November, and December on there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Alright, so I went ahead and I made a November and December tab. So this is what October looks like. And then we have November. I went ahead and took some of the stickers from the Rong Rong book and some of a sticker from the Gold Star collection, and I went ahead and added that. And the cardstock came from the Ellie Paper Studio collection, and I think it made it super pretty, and it kind of, you know, goes with the theme a little bit. And then for December, I took another cardstock from the Ellie collection as well, a sticker from the Rong Rong collection, and one of the stickers wishing for peace, love, and laughter for December. And I think it came out really cute, and I added some dot grid paper, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make my own layout. And then for October, since October matches or December matches October, so I went ahead and added the October 2019 on there, put some stickers there, so it looks like that. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and plan for October the 21st to the 27th, and let's see how it turned out. Okay, so I'm going to be using the wellness sticker book. So as I said before, this is going to be more of my meal planning, kind of keeping track of myself, sort of like a self-care book for me, planner for me, and kind of see where it takes me. So this is the first time I've actually ever done this, so I'm gonna see how I kind of decorate it my own way, add some like washi, and let's see how this is going to turn out. I'm also going to be using some of this washi tape from the new collection as well. I believe this is from the Stargazer collection, I want to say. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments down below. But I think this is from the new collection that came out. So I want to go ahead and use this pink washi tape from right here and just kind of add some washi tape here. I took the page out and I'm gonna go ahead and see how I want to set this up for like my self-care and just kind of keeping up with myself. You know, sometimes we just need that, especially if you're constantly busy doing something and taking care of other people. I think you need to be able to kind of like, you know, have something that's more like for you, keep yourself accountable for, and stuff like that. You may hear my children in the background because they are home from school. So, you know, it's kind of hard to keep toddlers quiet for a while. So we will just do our best. Alright guys, so this is how it turned out. I really like it, but I'm kind of like, you know, not so happy about it, but I'm okay with it for right now. This is just kind of like a rough draft on how I kind of want this self-care set up. I am going to be doing a little bit more research on, you know, kind of like self-care things that I can do for myself. And I really want to keep up with my weight and, you know, eating healthy and stuff like that. So this is going to be my main planner for just that. It's more just for me, not everything for my family. So it's kind of like a log for myself. So I really like the way it came out, but we shall see. I shall keep posted on my Instagram if you follow me there at CJ Plans, and see how this is going to be turning out for me. I really like the way the customization I did for it came out. I'm gonna go ahead and fill the rest out, and I will come back with another plan with me, and you guys will see how everything turned out. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.